Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we embark on captivating journeys through time to explore the wonders of history. I'm Faiz, your guide on this enthralling adventure. Today, we dive into the fascinating story of one of humanity's greatest inventions, the wheel. Join me as we unravel the past, present, and future of this revolutionary creation. The invention of the wheel stands as a pivotal moment in human history, a stroke of genius that transformed our world forever. Let's roll back the wheels of time and embark on a journey to explore the birth, evolution, and future of this remarkable invention. The story of the wheel began around 5,500 years ago in Mesopotamia, present-day Iraq. Initially, wheels were used for pottery making, serving as a revolving platform to shape clay vessels. However, humans quickly realized the immense potential of this invention and its application in various aspects of life. With the advent of wheeled vehicles, transportation underwent a revolution. The wheel enabled the efficient movement of goods, allowing civilizations to expand their trade networks and thrive. From simple wooden carts to sophisticated chariots, the wheel became an indispensable tool for commerce, warfare, and exploration. Beyond transportation, the wheel revolutionized numerous industries. It powered mills and factories, transforming the way goods were produced. The Industrial Revolution, powered by steam engines and machinery, propelled human progress to unprecedented heights, all driven by the power of the wheel. Fast forward to the present day, and the wheel's influence is omnipresent. From bicycles to automobiles, airplanes to trains, the wheel remains the cornerstone of modern transportation. It has shaped the infrastructure of cities, connected nations, and allowed for the globalization of trade and travel. Moreover, the wheel extends far beyond the physical realm. In the digital age, we navigate the vast realms of the internet and information superhighway with the click of a virtual wheel, transforming the way we communicate, learn, and interact with the world. As we peer into the future, the wheel continues to evolve. Advancements in technology have given rise to autonomous vehicles, electric mobility, and innovative transportation solutions. The wheel, in conjunction with artificial intelligence and robotics, promises a future of efficient, sustainable, and interconnected transportation systems. But the wheel's impact extends beyond transportation. In fields such as robotics, engineering, and space exploration, it continues to revolutionize the way we operate, build, and explore the unknown. The possibilities are boundless. The invention of the wheel stands as a testament to human ingenuity, adaptability, and our relentless pursuit of progress. It has shaped civilizations, connected cultures, and propelled humanity forward. Join me on this extraordinary journey through time as we celebrate the wheel, a symbol of human innovation. Like, comment, and share this enthralling adventure with fellow history enthusiasts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to join us on future episodes, where we continue to explore the wonders of the past and glimpse into the future. Thank you for joining me today on this captivating exploration of the invention of the wheel. Until next time, keep rolling forward, embrace the power of innovation, and may the wheels of progress continue to turn.